AI is fundamentally changing how we work and live. Intuit Assist is a new generative AI powered assistant that will provide personalized, intelligent recommendations to help consumers and small business customers make smart financial decisions with less work and complete confidence, enabling them to put more money in their pockets. Intuit Assist was developed using the company's proprietary Gen AI operating system GenOS and is designed to run with their own proprietary financial LLMs or large language models that are fine tuned to solve tax, accounting, cash flow, personal finance, and marketing challenges. Intuit Assist uses powerful and relevant contextual data sets spanning small business, consumer finance, and tax to deliver personalized financial insights to 100 million small business and consumer customers. Intuit Assist will intuitively show, guide, help, and do the hard work for users and connect customers to experts on live platform to provide human assistance when needed. Intuit Assist spans the company's products to harness their power and deliver new benefits in all new ways to improve customers' financial lives. Underpinned by Intuit's decades of tax-domain expertise, rich data, and proprietary AI-powered tax knowledge engine, Intuit Assist will work alongside tax filers of any income or complexity, helping them every step of the way. It will get to know a consumer's individual tax situation and apply its knowledge, navigating the tax code including the latest changes. This will also help reduce tax preparation time and help consumer gain faster access to refunds with complete confidence that their taxes are done accurately. And as I mentioned earlier, this Intuit Assist is embedded in almost all of the offerings by Intuit. For instance, Credit Karma members will be able to use an Intuit Assist to get highly personalized answers to their own money questions. Similarly, MailChimp customers will also be able to use this product within their own tailored features. As an example from Intuit's own website, you can see that these are the dashboard which will assist you with the help of this Intuit Assist to give you more tailored information and to help you out in the natural language processing way, which is the specialty of GenAI. I hope that you found it useful. If you are already an Intuit customer, I would highly suggest that you explore it in your own Intuit's portal, and I'm more than sure that you would really found it useful. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.